10 assets that outshine cash in the long run. Hey there, money-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's going to open up your mind to a world beyond the confines of traditional cash holdings. That's right, we're talking about 10 assets that are better than cash. Now, I know what you're thinking, cash is king, but stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be looking at your financial portfolio in a whole new light. But before we dive into these treasure troves of financial possibilities, let's talk about the money problem. Is holding cash truly the greatest approach to increase your money? Hold on to your hats because we're about to blow your financial mindset wide open. Topic 1. Real estate riches. Alright guys, let's speak about a treasure trove that doesn't need looking for X on a map. We're going to dive into the exciting world of real estate. Imagine owning properties that not only increase in value over time but also make you feel on top of the world. Literally if you have that penthouse view. Do you remember Donald Trump? That person who went from real estate tycoon to, well, you know. He turned a rundown apartment block into the renowned Trump Tower, a sparkling skyscraper that not only changed Manhattan's skyline, but also added an impressive amount to his money account. And since we're on the subject of creating money, let's applaud Barbara Corcoran, the real estate queen who transformed a $1,000 loan into a real estate empire. Talk about turning pennies into gold bars. So, here's the deal. When you invest in real estate, you're not just investing in properties. You're investing in stories, hopes, and an oh-so-bright future. It's like buying a piece of the earth and watching its value rise while sipping your morning coffee. Cheers to building castles, both metaphorically and literally, and watching your wealth climb along with them. But enough about building and architecture. Let's talk about an asset that has made people joy for centuries. Topic 2. Gold. Let us now discuss the true glitter superstar, gold. Consider gold to be that showy relative who always wears the shiniest clothing to family events. But here's the catch. Gold isn't just about stealing the show. It's also about securing your financial future. Did you know that all of the gold ever mined could fit into 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools? That's equivalent to having all the glitter you'll ever need for a massive celebration. But it is gold's historical durability that makes it truly sparkle. Gold is the never-out-of-style little black dress of investments. Whether civilizations rise or economies fall, it stands tall. So, think of gold as your financial fashion statement. Eye-catching, ageless, and so reliable. And hey, who doesn't want a bit of extra sparkle in their portfolio, right? Let's now take a quick diversion into the fast-paced world of stocks, where ownership meets excitement. Topic 3. Stocks, your slice of ownership. Let's talk stocks now, my fellow financial adventurers. Consider yourself at a buffet, but instead of plates, you're stocking up on company shares. These modest pieces of ownership are like tickets to the enormous spectacle of corporate expansion. You're not just a bystander, you're in the front row, rooting for your favorite teams such as Amazon, Apple, or Tesla. Consider this. You're investing in the success of companies you believe in. Do you remember Elon Musk? The real-life Tony Stark who made Tesla a smashing success? That dude, yes. Imagine being a part of that journey, seeing your investment increase as electric vehicles swept the globe. And hey, if you've ever walked into a Starbucks, sipped that soothing cappuccino and thought, I wish I owned a piece of this, you can with stocks. It's like joining a club where your achievement celebrates corporate triumphs. So, grab your metaphorical popcorn because the stock market, it's a blockbuster you won't want to miss. Keep your digital wallets handy because we're about to enter the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. Topic 4. Cryptocurrency. Let us now discuss the strange and crazy world of cryptocurrency. Consider your money as a courageous explorer racing through cyberspace. Bitcoin and Ethereum aren't simply names, they're the digital currency universe's rock stars. It's as if the future and money got together and decided to throw a party. But hold on, guys. Crypto isn't just about taking your money on a wild ride. It also reminds of a shady treasure hunt. You have wallets and private keys. It's like a secret society where your smartphone serves as a treasure map. What's even better? The potential profits are unreal. Keep in mind that it is also too risky. As you see today's market condition, it's totally crashed. So buckle in, fellow travelers, and prepare to ride the crypto wave, for this digital revolution is here to stay, with a dash of excitement and a dash of cyber magic. Let us now turn our attention to a different kind of canvas, the canvas of potential earnings. Topic 5, investing in art. Okay, people, let's talk about something that is more than just paint on a canvas. It's a Picasso of economic potential. We're venturing into the realm of art investing. Investing? I know what you're thinking. Isn't it all about dull numbers? Hold on to your seats, for this is where inspiration meets money. Imagine walking through a gallery claiming to be an art critic while secretly scheming your financial empire. Art isn't just about aesthetics, it's also a masterpiece of investment opportunity. From ancient classics to modern marvels, these canvases might be your ticket to a beautifully stuffed wallet. Worst case scenario, if your investments don't bear fruit, you've got a nice-looking wall ornament. It's like playing Monopoly, except with actual money and far fancier game pieces. So brush up on your painting knowledge, since the canvas of your financial future is waiting for your stroke of genius. It's time to roll up your sleeves and dig into the earthy richness of yet another incredible asset. Topic 6. Farmland, cultivating wealth. Okay, fellow investors, let's take a diversion to the countryside, where the grass is green, the air is clean, and the earnings are, well, ripe for the taking. We're talking about agriculture here, people. Consider yourself in a stylish farmer's hat, overlooking your vast farming empire. But I can't even keep a houseplant alive, you may be thinking. Don't worry, investing in agriculture doesn't necessitate a degree in hay bales. It's similar to putting your money where your mouth is. And guess what? The ground does the bulk of the work. And here's the twist. Although you're not plowing fields, your investment is growing with those crops. It's similar to having a secret side business as a virtual farmer. So if you've ever imagined creating riches with a pitchfork in hand, farmland could be your green ticket to financial success. Just remember, leave the overalls at home. Let's take a green turn and look into an asset that combines profit and purpose. Topic 7. Green bonds and sustainable investments. Let us now enter a fascinating realm in which your investments not only increase your riches, but also have a good impact on our planet. Say hello to green bonds and long-term investments. Green bonds are like magical wands for environmentally conscientious investors. When you invest in them, your money goes to projects that promote sustainability, such as renewable energy, clean water efforts, and eco-friendly construction. It's like helping Mother Earth while also expanding your personal savings. What's more, the best part? These investments aren't just nice gestures. They provide significant benefits. It's a win-win situation in which you're not only safeguarding your financial future, but also helping to make the planet a greener, healthier place. So, whether you're a tree hugger or simply want your money to do good, green bonds welcome you to a world of responsible and rewarding investing. Now let's get into something a little more traditional, but no less important. Topic 8. Fixed income investments. Let's take a look at an oldie but a goodie. Fixed income investing. Consider them the dependable anchors in your financial adventure. Bonds and certificates of deposit, CDs, may not be as glamorous as stocks, but they are the warm sweaters of your financial portfolio. When you buy bonds, you are essentially lending money to governments or corporations. They guarantee to repay your initial payment plus interest. It's as if they're saying, hey, invest in us, and we'll pay you back with a little extra as a thank you. CDs, on the other hand, function similarly to time deposits but with a fixed interest rate. They're ideal for people who wish to keep their money safe while also earning a consistent income. Bonds and CDs, while hardly the rock stars of the investment world, provide security and a consistent stream of income, making them crucial musicians in your financial ensemble. Enough about external assets, let's talk about something much closer to home, your own heartbeat. Topic 9. Your own skills and education. Okay, let's talk about something that's right in front of you yet often goes unnoticed, your own abilities and education. Consider it an investment in yourself that will pay off in ways you can't even conceive. Remember when you learnt to make those delectable cookies that everyone raved about? Consider converting your hobby into a side hustle or even a full-fledged business. In reality, your abilities and education are like seeds. They bear the fruits of job success, higher income, and personal fulfillment as you nurture and cultivate them. Perhaps you're considering taking a course that interests you, or you're thinking about improving your present talents. Every step you take to improve your abilities is like laying another brick in the foundation of your future success. Sign up for that class, learn that new software, or perfect that instrument. Your future self will be grateful for the gift of development. Finally, let us conclude our treasure hunt with something intangible but oh so valuable. Topic 10. Relationships and networking. Okay folks, let's talk about the power of relationships and networking. Consider this. You're at a party exchanging anecdotes and business cards. You may think it's simply small talk, but those connections are like seeds you're sowing in your success garden. The truth is that people you know can unlock doors you had no idea existed. That simple conversation could result in partnerships, collaborations, or your next big opportunity. People with whom you connect could be mentors, partners, or lifetime friends who inspire and elevate you on your financial journey. So go ahead and attend those gatherings, participate on social media, and be genuinely interested in people. Because in today's interconnected world, your network may be your most valuable asset, one that keeps on giving, growing, and surprise you. Conclusion. That concludes our examination of the world beyond currency treasure hunters. From real estate and gold to the exciting world of cryptocurrency and the potential of personal growth, these assets can help you achieve financial freedom. Remember that variety is vital. A combination of these gems can paint a lovely picture of prosperity in your future. So, click the like button, subscribe to our channel for more financial adventures, and set out to conquer your financial destiny. Keep exploring, growing, and unearthing those hidden treasures till next time.